The funeral of the late Zambian President Edgar Lungu, who died last week, has been plunged into chaos after reports suggested he left instructions that his successor Hakainde Hichilema should not be anywhere near his body. Zanabina mashikaro konkonza Hakainde Hichilema ublokewa unzasa attenda the funeral ya Edgar Lungu panguva ino achinzi ndo zvaakasiya ataura asati atisiya notbo subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muoni andaudanira achiti this is the latest development in the bitter field of funeral plans for the late president following his death in South Africa at the age of 68. The government had planned to fly his body back home on Wednesday, but failed to do so because of a dispute with the Lungu's family and his political party, the Patriotic Front (PF), over mourning and funeral arrangements. The two leaders were long-standing political rivals, with the Hichilema defeating Lungu in the 2021 election after failing in 5 previous attempts. Lungu died of an undisclosed illness, but the PF said last week that he had been receiving specialized treatment in South Africa. The PF alleged that Lungu was banned from leaving the country for years, and that if he had been allowed to travel to seek medical treatment sooner, he might be still alive. The government has denied the allegations. Zambia's Foreign Minister Mulambo Ayimbe was among government officials who flew to South Africa on Wednesday for talks with Lungu's widow, Esther, and his influential doctor, Tasila, to break the deadlock over what happens next. The government wants to give Lungu, who led Zambia from 2015 to 2021, a state funeral. However, in a video released from South Africa, external on Thursday, Mr. Zulu said the family had put in place all logistics to fulfill Lungu's wishes to be given a private funeral, that Hichilema should not be anywhere near his body. Domashwarubuda panguva ina rukonekwa kunzi aiwa payo limitations aripo pakati aiwa pa Hichilema na Lungu. Zvakuonekwa kunzi Lungu asati afa anosiya atora mashoko achiti Hichilema afaniri kuva near his body pachazomberiwa kana kuchengetwa. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section yedu. Mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.